You are now entering the loud ass zone. Cover your ears, Michael Reed. They probably will be quiet now that I said that.
Hood stars, we getting money all day. We do it our way. If you wanna just say hood stars, yeah. We hood stars, yeah. Certified hood stars enforcing the mills. And when they see my jewels, it's like Jacobs endorsing the deals. We got the coop full of krills. We shoot more than Shaquille. This ain't Buffalo, but my hood stay with the Bills. I'm with it down from Brazil. Them chicks I'm raising ain't hormones. The feds mad, we move more weight than Star Jones. We stashing condos, get sprayed with combos. My arm froze, yellow diamonds dipped in large stones. Got paying car loans, we ballin' out. You need work, tell my cousin bring the kilos out. Got head crack, be my CeeLo count. The fiends gon' bounce, my crew cooking hard.
This little guy right here likes to attack me. Eyeballing me. Am I gonna beat?
It's the hood star, mixtapes, TRL. Hood stars, money all day. We gon' do it our way. Wanna just say we hood stars, yeah. We hood stars, yeah. Certified hood stars, we getting money all day. We gon' do it our way.
This guy, what the hell? I got another friend, what the fudge? Okay, you need to get off me so I can go home, really. So let's just walk around with the bird on my shoulder. Doodly-doo-doo. There's some more birds. Over here we got birds. There's that guy. Oh my God. Big birds. Small birds. More birds. Hi, buddy. How are you? Look at those guys up there. I don't know what I'm showing you, but I'll just send it to you anyway. Come on, jump on the cage. No. Hi. My friend's still with me. Get off me. So I'm going to have to unload this guy before I go. I got to find a cage or something. So I might as well just walk around here. I'll show you this cage, buddy. You're not being very quiet today, Mr. Reed. Hi, baby. Say hi. Hi, yeah, giggity. That's what I like to see. Hey, baby. There you go. Say it again. Hi, baby. Bird people are fucking nuts. Okay, I gotta get rid of this guy. Yeah, bye, baby. Oh, yeah, hi. Can you say bye-bye? Okay, hop up on the cage. On the cage? Thank you. I'll see you later. Thanks for helping me with the tour. Probably got bird shit on my leg. That's a little bit as loud as it gets. My ears are kind of ringing, but not as bad as they normally are.
Just say we hood stars, yeah. We hood stars, yeah.
Nigga, we hood stars. You see what the fuck, how we come through and what we doing and shit like that? We living that rock star lifestyle, that fast life, niggas try to keep up.